If you think you know Flex tools, wait until you see what's coming up. Flex has been dropping some fresh gear that flies under the radar, and today we're checking out 20 of the coolest Flex tools most people haven't seen yet. These are smart, tough, and packed with features that make your work faster and easier. Whether you're in the shop, on a job site, or tackling a weekend build, a few of these might become your new favorites. Let's jump in and see what Flex has been working on. When working in tight or awkward spaces, you need a tool that delivers precision, safety, and power without the bulk. Introducing the Flex Mini Angle Grinder, your reliable partner for fine cutting and grinding work where full-size grinders can't reach. This extremely compact and handy tool is built for metalworkers, electricians, installers, fitters, and workshop professionals who demand maximum performance in a minimal size. It features a forward-reverse function, a 180-degree adjustable head, and a powerful brushless motor for long life. With microprocessor electronics, an electronic brake, an anti-kickback function, a rubberized gear housing, an integrated LED light, Flex battery system compatibility, and a battery capacity indicator, it ensures safe, efficient, and precise cutting and grinding every time. For tackling high walls and ceilings efficiently, you need a tool that's lightweight, precise, and easy to handle. Introducing the Flex Wall and Ceiling Sander, designed for fatigue-free overhead sanding with outstanding balance and control. Its powerful brushless motor, planetary gear system inside the sanding head, and variable speed control from 1 to 6 with LED display ensures smooth operation and a flawless finish. Highly effective dust extraction keeps your workspace nearly dust-free. Features include a carbon tube for low weight, an ergonomic guide tube with soft grip surfaces, an ultra-flat sanding head with a 160-degree swivel, a segment sanding head for smooth transitions, tool-free accessories, and a durable textile transport system for immediate use, making wall and ceiling sanding effortless. When tackling demolition, remodeling, or tight space cutting, you need a reciprocating saw that delivers precision, power, and versatility. The Flex Reciprocating saw offers a compact, efficient solution with a brushless motor for longer service life and greater efficiency. Its tool-free saw blade change with ejection allows quick, contactless blade swaps, while the twin-bearing lifting rod guide with vibration balancing ensures fatigue-free operation. The blade rotates 180 degrees for optimal swivel action support, and the accelerator switch provides a slow, controlled start. Additional features include an integrated LED lamp with persistence function, EMS for protection and efficiency, an LED battery capacity display, and compatibility with all Flex 12-volt battery packs. When working with large diameter pipes, you need a tool that combines power, precision, and safety for efficient installation. The Flex Cordless Pipe Press delivers just that, handling pressing ranges up to 110 mm for plastic and 54 mm for metal, compatible with all standard press fitting systems. Its brushless motor ensures durable performance, while the LED press force monitoring, automatic battery control, and electronic bolt lock provide precision and safety. The integrated LED light improves visibility in tight spaces, and the FLEX Press Control app with Bluetooth allows monitoring of device condition, performance, and installation documentation. Ergonomic design ensures comfort for prolonged use. For precise drilling in concrete, stone, or masonry, you need a tool that combines power, control, and portability. The Flex Rotary Hammer is an ultra-compact, lightweight cordless solution perfect for installation work and interior finishing. It handles a drilling range of 5 to 10 millimeters, up to 16 millimeters in concrete, delivering reliable results with ease. Powered by a brushless motor for maximum efficiency and durability, it includes an electronic quick brake, forward, reverse function, and variable speed trigger for controlled starts. The decoupled vibration damp soft grip, LED light, depth stop, auxiliary handle, belt clip, and bit holder ensure comfort, precision, and mobility for professionals on the job. For efficient and precise drywall installation, you need a tool that combines accuracy, speed, and comfort. The Flex Drywall Screwdriver is a compact solution designed for professional drywall application. It features impulse mode for precise countersinking, auto start for energy-saving operation, and a durable brushless motor for long-lasting performance. Additional highlights include a tool-free, removable depth stop, integrated LED light with afterglow, ergonomic soft grip, electronic quick brake, and Flex EMS for maximum protection and efficiency. When paired with the MDW 55 screw magazine attachment, compatible with 25 to 55 mm collated screws and 360-degree rotatable, this screwdriver offers unmatched speed, precision, and comfort for drywall professionals. For achieving flawless wall and ceiling finishes, you need a sander that combines precision, control, and comfort. The Flex Eccentric Drywall Sander introduces its first long-neck model with an Eccentric drive, delivering consistent sanding patterns and superior surface quality. The sander excels in Q3 and Q4 finishing stages, ideal for painting or wallpaper prep. It weighs only 2.9 kilograms, is crafted with carbon for lightness and balance, and features a 160-degree swiveling sanding head for versatile wall, ceiling, and edge work. Efficient dust extraction, ergonomic soft grip, smart weight, distribution, and a tool-free extension system ensure fatigue-free, precise sanding even at high ceilings. For achieving flawless professional-grade finishes on surfaces, a high-performance polisher is essential. The Flex Cordless Rotary Polisher redefines efficiency and control, delivering maximum removal rates with the Flex two-step system using the red sponge and polish. Its cordless design provides freedom of movement while maintaining consistent, corded-level performance. The brushless motor ensures high efficiency and long-lasting durability, paired with an advanced gearbox that reduces noise and vibrations for smooth, quiet operation. Speed is easily adjustable via an intuitive dual-sided wheel, and ergonomic soft grip handles offer precise control while minimizing fatigue. Ideal for vehicle detailing or surface prep, it combines power, comfort, and precision effortlessly. Handling heavy materials safely and efficiently requires a dependable lifting solution. The Flex Cordless Vacuum Lifter makes moving tiles, drywall, concrete blocks, and appliances effortless with its ergonomic, portable design. Capable of lifting up to 170 kilograms, it works reliably on a variety of surfaces, including dusty and semi-porous materials, while maintaining a load-bearing capacity of 130 kilograms. Safety is prioritized with automatic suction and a digital display that continuously monitors negative pressure, ensuring secure handling. Lightweight and cordless, it allows precise positioning without strain. Whether for professional construction, renovation, or DIY projects, this vacuum lifter streamlines work while enhancing safety and productivity in any environment. For achieving flawless, high-gloss finishes on vehicles and surfaces, a reliable polisher is essential. The Flex Cordless Eccentric Polisher delivers professional-level results with the Flex two-step system using the black sponge and black polish for maximum deep sheen. Its cordless design ensures freedom of movement while maintaining consistent corded-level performance throughout the battery life. Equipped with a brushless motor, it offers high efficiency and long-lasting durability. The advanced gearbox minimizes noise and vibrations for smooth operation, while the dual-sided speed selection wheel allows easy adjustments. Ergonomic soft grip handles provide precision and reduce fatigue, making it perfect for detailing cars, boats, or aircraft with professional result. Need a tool that cuts metal cleanly without sparks, weight, or hassle? The Flex Cordless Bandsaw delivers exactly that. It's light, easy to handle, and built with perfect balance and weight distribution. As the lightest tool in the 18-volt class, it's ideal for fire hazard areas with its spark-free metal cutting. You get adjustable belt speed for precise results across different materials, plus toolless blade changes, an additional blade cover, and an LED light that brightens your workspace. The ergonomic non-slip handle keeps you comfortable, and the handy metal hook lets you hang the saw wherever you need it. This cordless bandsaw is made for safe, efficient metal cutting with pro-level performance. Sometimes you need strong fastening power in tight spots where regular tools can't reach. The Flex Cordless Impact Wrench is built for exactly that. Its short head length makes working in hard-to-reach areas much easier, while the integrated LED light offers 5 levels of brightness for clear visibility in any condition. The half-inch square mounting works with standard impact sockets, and the speed command function gives you 3 adjustable speed ranges to match different tasks without over-tightening. Auto stop mode adds precision by stopping as soon as the impact engages, protecting screws, nuts, and material. Perfect for fast, controlled tightening with a cordless impact wrench built for efficiency and safety. Sometimes a tidy yard needs quick, effortless clearing without dragging around heavy equipment. The Flex Cordless Leaf Blower delivers efficient, lightweight performance brought to life in action with BVB legend Nobby Dickel. Its brushless motor provides strong airflow, higher efficiency, and a longer service life. The compact build and tool-free removable air guide tube make it the lightest device in its class, while the 3-stage air volume control and boost mode handle small to medium areas with ease. Nobby shows how simple it is to clear leaves and debris with smooth control and real comfort. Perfect for fast, powerful garden cleanup with a cordless leaf blower built for everyday use. Keeping garden edges clean and neat requires a tool that works efficiently without wearing you out. The Flex Cordless Lawn Trimmer, featuring the iconic BVB symbol Nobby Dickel, delivers power, precision, and easy handling for everyday garden care. It trims lawns and clears tall grass or light brush with a high cutting speed in 2 stages and a 30-centimeter cutting width. The easy load head with tip automatic adjustment makes managing line length simple. A line cutter and splash guard help you work accurately with clean results. Its brushless motor boosts efficiency and longevity while keeping the tool light and user-friendly. Perfect for precise trimming and maintaining tidy garden edges. Sanding in tight corners calls for a tool that stays comfortable even during longer tasks. The Flex Cordless Delta Sander is built for ergonomics and control, offering a lightweight, compact, one-handed design with low vibration for joint-friendly use. A soft grip handle cap keeps your hold steady, while electronic speed control lets you match sanding speed to the material. The on-off switch with quick stop prevents overrun, making the operation simple and safe. Its Velcro sanding disc features a 10-hole system for efficient dust extraction, supported by an integrated dust filter bag with the option to connect to external dust extraction. Ideal for precise sanding, corner work, and clean, controlled finishing. A lightweight, powerful tool to tackle branches and logs without the hassle of cords. The Flex Cordless Chainsaw delivers precision and power with its 35-centimeter saw blade, making fast, clean cuts in wood up to 30 centimeters in diameter. Limbing and cutting are effortless, and the robust metal claw fence ensures every cut is safe and controlled. Fully cordless thanks to 18-volt battery technology, it works seamlessly with the entire Flex 18-volt garden tool range, including trimmers, blowers, and angle grinders. Designed for efficiency and user-friendliness, this chainsaw is perfect for gardeners and outdoor enthusiasts who need powerful, precise, and flexible cutting anywhere. Sometimes you need one tool that handles clean edges and full routing work without slowing you down. The Flex Edge milling tool delivers that freedom with a design built for flexibility and performance. It works as a precise edge router and transforms into a strong surface router in seconds, all without tool. An integrated spindle lock makes cutter changes simple, while the collet chuck accepts bits with shanks up to 8 mm. You get a zero function on the scale, turret stop depth control, and fine depth adjustment for accurate results. Paired with accessories like milling baskets, parallel fences, and extraction bonnets, it's ready for any task. This tool is used for precise edge milling and versatile routing work anywhere. Sometimes you need clear, reliable light in tight or dark spaces. The Flex LED hand torch makes that easy with a smart, portable design built for daily use. It features a lamp head that swivels 180 and 270 degrees, so you can aim the light exactly where you need it. 8 LEDs and 3 brightness levels give you strong, adjustable illumination. Integrated magnets and a metal bracket offer secure, flexible positioning, while the soft grip handle keeps it comfortable in your hand. The LED battery capacity display helps you track remaining power, and the torch works with all Flex 18-volt battery pack. This cordless hand torch is used for lighting any workspace with steady, adjustable visibility. Sometimes you need strong, portable suction right at your side. The Flex Portable Vacuum Cleaner delivers that power in a compact, lightweight build designed for easy carry. It offers 207 mbar negative pressure and uses a high-performance turbine for excellent extraction result. The carrying harness and waist belt detach with one touch, and its small size fits neatly in any vehicle. A manual filter cleaning blast keeps performance steady, while the flat fold filter improves airflow and container capacity. The 32mm hose stretches from 0.5 to 2.5 meters, and the hand tube holder keeps everything organized during transport. Eco and Boost modes help manage runtime. This portable vacuum cleaner is used for assembly work, automotive cleaning, setting dowels or anchors, sanding, and professional extraction tasks. A versatile drill that handles even the toughest tasks safely and efficiently. The Flex Cordless Percussion Drill combines power and control in a brushless motor design, supported by an electronic management system that protects the machine, extends service life, and boosts efficiency. With anti-kickback technology, a turbo mode for faster drilling, and maximum torque of 158 Nm, it handles screwing, drilling, and percussion drilling even in extreme applications. Features include an accelerator trigger with lock-off, an electronic quick-acting brake, right, left rotation, a robust die-cast aluminum gearbox, an extendable auxiliary handle, an LED lamp with persistence, a battery display, a belt clip, and bit storage. This drill is perfect for heavy-duty construction, home improvement, and professional tasks requiring precision and safety. That's the full list of 20 Flex tools you probably haven't come across before. Some of these are real game changers, and they show how quickly Flex is pushing the industry forward. Thanks for watching. If you want more tool finds and new releases, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.